The roses are blooming, flowers are bursting everywhere, and the pollinators are loving it. With better weather comes faster growth, and we're seeing that across the garden. Our lettuces, grown from seed and transplanted at different stages, are thriving in containers. By staggering the planting, we can harvest them over time. Remember to remove yellowing leaves to avoid attracting slugs and snails. Potatoes are flowering. That's a sign that tubers are forming underground. Once the flowers fade, the plant will start to die back, signaling harvest time. Staggering your potato planting also means staggered harvests. Tomatoes are growing strong. Some are planted indoors, others are self-sown volunteers. We've companion planted them with scent leaf and marigold to deter pests. Don't forget to remove the bottom leaves for airflow, and pinch off suckers to train a single strong stem. The garlic is doing well, surrounded by self-sown dill amaranth greens. And even surprise, carrots and potatoes in shared containers. Companion planting continues with lettuce and onions, which is a perfect front and back pair. We have more updates. Chives are about to flower. Such a beauty. Bees are hard at work in the greenhouse, helping pollinate our peppers and tomatoes. Our okra bounced back after a little transplant stress. Sweet corn and Nigerian corn are growing. Mince and thyme are returning with vigor, and the strawberries are fruiting nicely. Water leaf from stems is thriving, and the bitter leaf is doing well too. Peppers are flowering, exciting times ahead. Everything was grown from seeds or cuttings. This garden is a testament to patience, care, and the joy of growing your own food. To every home gardener, keep growing, keep learning, and enjoy the process. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and updates from EsteeLicious Garden.